So this is a quick video on how to get started using ChatGPT. So if you've never used it before, you'll want to watch this quick video. I show you how to go out and set up an account and the basics of how to get started. So it's a quick video. You don't want to miss this. Be sure and check it out. We're going to get started now. So let's start with how to create an account. We're going to go to our Google browser here and just simply search for OpenAI. You'll see it. OpenAI.com. You can go here and you click on it. And down here, they also have some of the other things that they have, like DAL-E2, which is it creates images, whisper alignment. So what we're going to want to look at is like the Chat GPT. Okay, you're going to see this screen here. We're going to say, we're going to try Chat GPT, and it's going to say log in with your OpenAI account to continue. So we're going to create a new one. Okay, and we're going to put in our email address. Continue. Put in your email address, hit continue, set a password. We sent you an email to verify your emails. We're going to come over here. There it is. Verify your email address. Click on that. It's going to take you to a window. And then it's going to ask for your phone number. It's going to send a code to your phone. After you put in your phone number there, and so it sends you a 6-digit code. All right, put that code in that got sent to your phone. Then here you're going to notice it says Chat GPT. This is a free research preview. Our goal is to get external feedback in order to improve our systems and make them safer. While we have safeguards in place, the system may occasionally generate incorrect or misleading information and produce offensive or biased content. It is not intended to give advice. Remember what it just said, because it's very true. Click on next, and how we collect data. Conversations may be reviewed by our AI trainers to improve our systems. And security, please don't share any sensitive information in your conversation. So, try to not list out, like names and addresses, phone numbers, things like that. And then next, it says, we'd love your feedback. The system is optimized for dialogue. Let us know if a particular response was good or unhelpful. And share your feedback on our Discord server. So if you have a Discord account, you can click here and take you to the Discord server. Otherwise, just click done. And now we're at the main window here of the Chat GPT from OpenAI. And here it shows you there's some examples, explain quantum computing in simple terms. So these are just some that it put up there for you to test it out and see what kind of responses it was going to give in the examples. Then it has the capabilities. Remember what users said earlier in the conversation. Allows users to provide follow-up corrections, and it's trained to decline inappropriate requests. And so, you don't want it, you don't want to do things like, having it research, something to do with sexual content or drugs or something illegal or something, like violence and stuff. So just keep that in mind. It does says here about limitations. It says may occasionally generate incorrect information. Yes, that's very true. And the one thing about the Chat API, GPT AI, is that it can generate answers that look legitimate, But if you do your research, you might find that it's really kind of stupid and incorrect. It may occasionally produce harmful instructions or biased content. So be careful with the instructions it gives you. It may have you wrapping your leg around your neck. Limited knowledge of the world and events after 2021. The Chat GPT model here was feeding off of the internet, and they pulled it off the internet at about sometime towards the end of 2021, I believe, or mid 2021. So anything after that, it's not really going to have much valid information. So you're definitely going to want to, not try to put in and ask for information about things that are going on right now in today's time. It also doesn't like the list politician's name. I put in Trump, for example, and it said something that it didn't want to give me an answer or something like that. So just to give you an idea, if you click on their example, here you'll see that it puts this explain quantum computing in simple terms, and just hit this. And as you can see, the Chat GPT is spelling it all out. Quantum computing is a type of computing that uses the principles of quantum physics to perform complex calculations. In classical computing, a computer uses bits, which can be either a 0 or a 1, to store and process information. In quantum computing, however, a quantum bit or a qubit can be a 0, 1, or both at the same time. This allows quantum computers to perform certain types of calculations much faster than classical computers. So, one of the most well-known algorithms in quantum computing is Schatz's algorithm, which can factor in large numbers exponentially faster than classical algorithms. This has implications for cryptography, as many encryption methods rely on the difficulty of factoring large numbers. Although quantum computing is still in its early stages, practical quantum computers are not yet widely available. Researchers and companies are working on developing and refining this technology with the hope of achieving significant breakthroughs in fields such as cryptography, drug discovery, and machine learning. Now you can tell it to even regenerate the response. We're not going to read it off, but you can get an idea of it here. It's going to regenerate the response. Uses quantum computing is a type of computing that uses the principle of quantum mechanics in a process to process information, unlike classical computers. So it does rewrite it in a different format. Okay, and you'll notice that it keeps track of it over here. Whatever it is you're typing, you can clear your conversations. That's where you can upgrade to a plus. The plus membership basically is like $20 a month, and it's supposed to give you access to the server kind of ahead of other people, even when it's like, being overloaded. The plus members should still be able to get on there and do searches and put in the terms and get some information. There's dark mode. There's the OpenAI Discord link and some facts and information. Hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial that I did for you on ChatGPT and how to get started. If you'd like more information, be sure and check out our channel at AIZilla, and we have a lot more videos that we're posting on there. We're going to continue posting videos showing you how to use ChatGPT to take your business to the next level, marketing, your YouTube channels, you name it, man. We're going to show you how to do it. Stick around. Be sure and subscribe and like our channel. I appreciate your support.